How you doing, country guitar fanatics? If you're looking for a tasty new lick to add to your country guitar vocabulary, keep watching this video. So this lick is very interesting in the way that it utilises hybrid picking and open string ideas. I usually apply this lick at the end of a 4-bar or 8-bar section. We're going to start off by playing an open 5th string, hammer on to the 4th fret, and then hammer on to fret 7. We're then going to pick the 4th fret of the 4th string underneath, and then we're going to hybrid pick, so we're going to use the middle finger to pick the 3rd string underneath that. We're then going to play fret 7 of the D string. My 3rd finger on the right hand then picks the open 2nd string. I'm then going to pick fret 5 of the G string and slide up to fret 6. I'm then going to use my 3rd finger on the right hand to play the open E string. We're then going to pick fret 6 of the G string again and slide up to fret 9. The last note we're going to play, using the middle finger on the right hand, is fret 10 of the B string. Here's the right hand again, very slowly. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you're liking these videos, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next lesson.